Good morning, all of you once again. Today in our class, today we will see some practical work. Okay, in our live classes. So since it's a lockdown period is going on, means you are not in the physical classes, so I can't take you in the practical lab. But still, through online mode of this class, I will try to show you how we can do at least some as in paint, how we can draw, how we can make it color, okay, all these things, and how we can save our work. So today we will do some work in MS Paint so that you can learn, and in our next class I will show you how you can type and write in MS Word. Okay, so all of you please observe the class. Now today, see, to start the class, now, suppose you have turned on the computer. After turning on the computer, you will see at this type of screen. This is called the desktop. Desktop of the computer. In this desktop, you will get some like this. No, these are called folders and files and all these things. Many things are there. These are the things will be different in each computer separately. Okay, because since it's my laptop, so I have kept my folders and all these things here. If it is yours and if it is others, then there will be some other folders and files. Okay, now how we can start MS Paint? So if it is an Windows 8 operating system, so we cannot start from here. There will be, see, a start button. We can see now, if you click on the start button, we'll get this type of screen. In this type of screen, to do what, simply we will go in this side and we will search where is our paint. Now if you cannot find your paint screen in this screen, so see, now like this we will search. Okay, like this we just, you see, Microsoft Office, then Excel, Access, like this, all the installed software you can see. Now if you cannot see this here, then you can simply go to the search button. You see, in this way you will get a search button. You click on the search button and just type what you need. You type here paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint. Then you see the paint program will come in front of you. You just click on this paint program, then Microsoft Paint will, see, Microsoft Paint will open. So this is the Microsoft Paint screen. This is the Microsoft Paint screen where you can draw different shapes. You can color it, you can save it. Okay. Now, since it's a Microsoft Paint screen, how to draw here? This is the mouse pointer. You can see is moving on the screen. Now, with this mouse pointer, first of all, we'll choose some shapes to do something. So now you see there are different shapes available in this. Okay, in this toolbar. Okay, you see. Yeah, these are the all different types of shapes. To do this type of shapes, see what we need to do. Simply we need to click on it, and then you, when the mouse pointer will come to the screen, you click and drag it. You click and drag it, it will become this. Okay, now you can shift it to any place at first. Now to fill it with different types of color, you just go to this toolbar, and with this toolbar there are different buttons are there. You choose that fill with color. You see, when you take the mouse pointer over this over a particular icon, the name of that one will come. Okay, so fill with color, you can see it came. When you go to this, it will come as text, means we can type text with this. And here it is a pencil, so you see pencil, draw free from. Then it's an eraser, it's an eyedropper, it's a magnifier. This type of name will come. Okay, now let us take the fill with color. Then you take the fill with color. Now this button has came. Now you choose a color from this color pen. Okay, these are the color pens. From this color pen, you choose any color to draw, and you take. Suppose we have taken this blue. Now when we have taken this blue, now simply come and click here. Don't click outside. If you click outside, then everything will be blue outside. Okay, so don't do this. Now you click on inside this shape. So if you click on inside this shape, it will become blue. Now to make this black border a different color, you choose a different color. For example, suppose we have taken this gold color. Now to make it gold, this black portion, you just go to the black portion and you click, that one will become gold color. Okay, and if you want to change the color right now, you click on another color, it will become that color. Okay, it will become that color. So be very careful to clicking on it. Okay. Now, so these are in this way we can draw this shape. Now, if you want to draw another, you please take this one and you draw. It will become on this color. Now, it's filled with color. You take a color, you click on it, it will become that color. So these are the process of drawing different shapes. Now, since these are different shapes, with the use of these shapes, we can draw many things at a time. Now, what are the things we can do? Okay, now to draw another thing, what we need to do, we need to erase these things, isn't it? So how we can erase these things or delete these things? So delete all these things together. You just go to the selection bar. Okay, click on it and then you select everything. You see now everything is selected, and on the keyboard you just press on the delete button. Everything will be deleted. Now with these shapes, now let us draw now what to draw? Let us try to draw a home. Let's see we can do it or not. So I have taken this triangle shape. Okay, with this triangle shape. Now if I click here, you see, yeah, this type of shape I can draw. Now with this, after this, now let us take this rectangle button. Now with this rectangle button, if I draw here, you see from this portion, if I go to this, yeah, you see it almost looks like a TV, sorry, a home, isn't it? Now after this was finished, see after that, now if you wish to give window or the doors, take once again, go to that portion. Okay, take it to the middle, finish. So this will be the window. Now, sorry, door. Now to draw this door, now this time we can take this line. With this line, this is what this. This is up to you. You know, sir is drawing this. It doesn't mean that you need to draw in the same way. You can draw. So many of you are very good artists that I know. Okay, you can draw at least better than me. So sir is just showing how we can do all these things. It's not that are only you need to do. You can draw other things also. What you want to draw. Okay. So now if we go, yeah. With this, you see, I have shown you here. I have shown this a. With this, then I'm trying to show a open door. A open door. Okay. Yeah, you see. Now you see in this portion, if you want to do something, you can choose the magnifier. You choose the magnifier, you magnify this portion, and you can now you can see do the rest of the things. Suppose here, if something is extra, you can delete this. Okay, like this. You magnify things and you do. Okay, finish. So this magnifier already we have finished. Now we will see. Now I don't want this magnifier. So if I don't want this magnifier, what can I do? You can see here, you see here, it becomes 400. Now make it 100. So you click on this minus, you see, it will come in the original position. After this, if you wish to draw a window over here, so just draw a window. So this will be my window. This will be my window. With arrow key, I can shift it, okay, to any place. Yeah. Okay, now this selection pane, you just copy it and then you paste it. So you paste it in this place also, place it over there, and simply you take on their side. Then it will be in the same line. Agreed there. Why not you sit nicely, sir? How you are sitting in the sofa? Why not you sit like a student? Okay, so here we have drawn these things. Now, if you wish, you can draw even more. You can draw even more. See, you make a part of it. Then make part of this window. Okay, so it's almost looks like a home, isn't it? Now, if you want to make it color or any other thing, go to selection bar. Now, after going to selection bar, you select it, and then you can make small also. This one you can make small also. Okay. Yeah. See. Yeah. So now, if you wish to do color, you go to that field with color, you take a color, okay, suppose you take a color, you put it here. Now, if you want to make different color in this one, you give it here, you give it here. Now, you make it here, you make it here, then you go to this one, okay, then you take, what to take? This one, this one. In this way, you can do different things. Now, if you want to give any color to the home, you can give, no, change the color. If it is same, you please change the color. You see. So this is almost looks like a TV. Sir is not a good, no, sir is not very good artist to draw all these things, but at least in this way, we can draw many things. Many other things also we can draw. Many other things. Now, after drawing this, if you want to say something, you see, you make it. You just make it. Yeah, yeah. Okay. You mix up all these things. So these will be our clouds. These will be our sorry. Yeah, these will be our clouds. Now, what are the colors we have in clouds? We have these colors, cloudy. Yeah, these are the cloudy things. Okay. Now make the sky as blue. Make the sky as blue. You know. You can see. Okay, once again. So with this, you can draw many things. Will make, okay, and those which one you do not want, you can erase in this way also. You can erase in this. So these are the different things you can draw. So how to draw something? What do we use? We will use this eraser. Okay. Now this eraser. So sir has shown you how to do all these things. Okay. Now delete all these things. Delete. Yeah, delete. 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 Okay, and you can take this home to any place, any place. You can take to any place. Now, if you wish to draw a tree over here or some other things, you can draw. I have shown you how you can add clouds. Okay, here clouds also you can add. Yeah, clouds, clouds. Here if you draw clouds, then you can draw some thunderstorm also. If you wish, these are the thunder. These are the thunderstorms available now. Not this, not this. You can use these thunderstorm also. See, this thunderstorm you draw. Yeah, these are the thunderstorm. Indeed. Yeah, these are the thunderstorms. So you can draw this thunderstorm also. Anything you can draw over these things. Okay. So these are. Now, if you wish to write something in your picture, suppose you want to push, then you click in this A. Here you can see A. Click here and make a box. After making this box, you can type here. Suppose whose name I'll give. Suppose I wish to give the name as Adrik Day. So name you can write N-A-M-E. Okay, name Adrik Day. Okay, Adrik Day. Then suppose class. Okay, class. Class, what you want to write? Class you want to write as 1. one. Now you can see here some, these are different styles. You can take out also, copy you can make. Okay, and no need to make. Yeah, you see, like if you want to change the color, you can change the font color. You can change the font color, any color you can give. You see, yeah, give the name is Adrik Day class 1. Then you can, since I don't know the roll number of Adrik, so I am not giving here the roll number. See, I just showed you how you can write name and you can draw many things. If in exam it comes to draw something, so in this way you can write your names. You can write your names, and after writing these names, if you want to shift it from this place, okay, if you want to shift it from this place, you just make a box here, and then you can shift it to any place. You see. Okay, suppose you have drawn something and you can write your name and all these things here. Okay, so these are the basic things you can do with MS Paint. Okay, now here there are many other things also. You have brushes here, different types of brushes, different types of shapes, different types of line and all these things. So how you will know all these things? The more you will use all these things, the more you will be able to learn about all these things. The basic things about MS Paint I have showed you how to see how to use all these things. Otherwise, see, these are the things. Okay, these are the almost things, and rest all other things. The more you will use, the more you will be expert. Okay, so today up to this much. Today I have tried you to show the MS Paint, and next day I will show you some MS Paint. Since we have completed our syllabus, let us learn something extra, which is not included in our exam and which will not come in our exam. But let us have something as good learning, since we are having time. Okay, so next day sir will start MS Word, how to write and how to make color, different color, how to add pictures and all these things we will do in MS Word. Okay, so today up to this much. Thank you all. Bye.